Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your first budget on Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a digital envelope budgeting tool that helps you manage money by dividing your income into categories called envelopes. So first you need to open any of the web browser you prefer. At the top there's an address bar, type down goodbudget.com and enter it here. And over here make sure to log into your account in the top right. And over here, you need to create a budget. You can simply create an envelope. You can simply create envelopes. In the top, there's an option where they fill envelopes there. Click there. And you can simply start with your categories like your groceries. Here, you can simply add to your groceries as well. And you can set your price. You can type down your price over here. You can type down your fees over here. And you can also select your gas. And you can also select the setting here. You can simply type down the amount just beside the each envelope. And the first step is you just start with your one or two envelope only. Do not overcomplicate it. And you can also add your account. And you can also add the notes beside it and you can save it after that. And in the top, type down the amount and type down your income, and that is it. And the envelope is plan your money, transactions are your spending, and accounts is where your money is. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.